Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your expert, and today I bring you the EcoXgear power bank. This one, we're gonna check the box first, and then we're gonna go ahead and unpack it. This one is the EcoCharge Plus. So this one is a power bank with a flashlight on it. So first thing first, this one is a 3200 milliamps plus light, right? So this means that will basically cover you a full battery charge from 0 to 100 for most phones in the market right now. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I think that's actually pretty much the most accurate thing that we have. Over here, we don't have that much information, and over here we have a lot of information. So first thing first, we have a flashlight. It's waterproof and dust proof, so that means that it's fine to get it wet and to throw it in the sand or anything like that if you're going to the beach. It is rechargeable, of course. It's shock resistant, so that means that if you drop it, it's gonna be fine. As long as you don't drop it from a fourth floor window, it's gonna survive. And over here we have the USB cable to recharge it is included and charges all your USB devices. Okay, so that pretty much sums it up. So again, we're gonna go through really quick over here through the details. Is a 3200 milliamp capacity battery. It has a 150 lumen flashlight. So it's gonna be bright, but it's not gonna be super bright, so they can see you if you get lost in an island or something like that, right? Or if you get lost through the woods. It will go ahead at 3.3 feet. Okay, so that's basically the how much light you can get through it, and it's a 5 volts 1 amp charger. So it's not one of those super fast charging batteries. It's like a regular battery, just like if you connect that into the connection, electrical connection of your house, and it will charge all your USB devices. All right, so that's pretty much it for the box of the EcoCharge Plus. Let's go ahead and see what is inside this box and what comes with it. Give me one sec. All right, guys, so this is basically what you will find inside the box. It's pretty much straightforward power bank. So you have the instructions over here, just in case if you need them. You also have a micro USB cable to charge the power bank. Also, you can use it to charge your devices, right? You have an extra lanyard over here, just in case if you want to put it here, or if this one breaks. This one has a very interesting legend over here. It says twist cap off, don't pull. Okay, got it. So this one over here is locked. So this means this one is locked. So this means that if you twist it to the unlocked side, you will be able to pull it off. So that's basically to maintain the waterproofness and the dust proofness, right? So if I try to pull it up, it will not come out. So this one is a twist off. And over here, you can see the USB connection to charge your devices and the micro USB connection to charge the power bank itself, right? So let me get the cap back on. It has a pretty nice rubber feel to it, right? Has only 2 buttons, one to turn on the power bank and start charging. Has 4 lights over here. You can see how much it charge your power bank has, right? Each one of them representing 25%. And the other one is the flashlight. So on the other side, you have the flashlight. And if you press the button, you get strong light. I'm sorry, weak light, strong light. If you press the button again, you get flashing SOS. So light mode, I guess. And then you get faster blinking lights. This one is the SOS sign. Again, I don't know Morse code, so please correct me in the comments, just in case if I'm saying something incorrectly. So that's pretty much it for the EcoXgear EcoCharge Plus. 32 milliamps. It will last you for at least one full charge from 0 to 100, right? For most phones nowadays. And pretty much handy. It's not that big. It fits in my palm. Super light. I don't have any problems with it, and I think it's pretty cool how they made their brand into the rubber pattern over here, right? So for you guys who like to camp or anything like that, this one will come in super handy. Having a flashlight is always good. Having a power bank with a flashlight is also super good. Again, I will leave the contact information for the customer service of EcoXgear just in case if you want to ask them any questions or if you want to purchase their products. Remember to go ahead and let them know that you saw this video so they can help you out with a discount. This is my first EcoXgear product. So I'm pretty much excited. I will bring other news to the channel. So let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything that you would like me to review. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Hope you have a great day, team.